Guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Day. In today's video, we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury, and I'm going to show you how to find the code for a treasury code. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So basically, as we can see, here is the interface of Treasury Telegram mini app. So always when we have a latest app, we need to come this section, which is we are going to see like which is the text that we are going to been full-fledged. So the text of the day, it is a cleaning time. So here it is. So we need to go and figure out what how is the code, like why are we going to find the code for the Treasury Telegram app. So here, as you can see, there is something like similar to a duster, like for a cleaner. So let's click on it. Here again, here is something similar to a bot. So this is a bot and this is a cleaner. So you need to clean the bot so that you may see the code that is been hiding under the dust on the bot. So let's clean it. So here is the code 911-911. So we need to go and import it so that we should confirm the code is correctly. So always when you enter this section, you need to click on activities. So let's click on start. So our code of the day is 911, which is 911. So congratulations, we have successfully clicking the correct answer. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.